can tell by the way I awkward walk, I'm gonna shit my pants, there's no time to talk. A fuck came out, yeah, it was funny, and I'm standing there, but my butt feels muddy, and it's alright, it's okay. Please step out my fucking way. You can try to understand that I probably shit my pants. Belly starts to mutter, I turn into a runner, and I'm clenching them tight, clenching them tight. Belly starts to egg, and I fart, and I'm mistaken, now I'm clenching them tight, clenching them tight. Ha, 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 clenching them tight, clenching them tight. Ah, 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 clenching them tight.